Little Bear Produce has been in existence since 1986, originally known as J&D Produce, and today we grow over 6,000 acres of vegetables each year. We had went with a bagger that was a recommendation, and we were not so happy with it.
Our volume increased, and we decided the one that we're doing right now is just not keeping up with our demand.
They were still very new and trying to find a partner, an expert in the space that could not just sell them equipment, but had the know-how and the ability to teach.
We not only liked the way that the bagger operated, but the people that you guys had on the floor really made us feel like you guys were the partners for us. They were extremely impressive.
Like they say, time is money, and when you're pumping out bags, you want to go as fast as you can to make that money.
We had 2 lines that were basically identical except for the bagger and scale.
When I would put 2 guys on the old machine, they would I'm gonna go back to that machine. They said it's so much more efficient, so easy to set up.
The data we were able to collect, showing that your bagger operates typically at our facility between 65 and 75% OEE. The other one was somewhere between 25 and 35%.
Once we got the second machine, now they're all happy. They love it.
It was an easy decision, financially and operationally.
And now, with the equipment that we have in place, we have a lot of confidence.
Sanitation is key. The ability to get inside the machine, to get into those little nooks and crannies, to make sure everything's clean from top to bottom and not have to worry about anything going wrong electrical wise with putting water on the equipment. There's baggers out there that you can't get water on. When you're running the machine, it has different light codes to say, okay, hey, we're getting low on film. There's something wrong. It turns red color. It's running good. It's in green, so we don't have to physically stand there the whole time. I'm not an email type person. I'd rather just pick up a phone and call you, and say, hey, look, I got this issue. How can I solve it? With Drew, I call him, he answers. If he doesn't know the answer, he gives me the number of somebody who does.
Whether it be the engineering, whether it be the support, whether it be the design, there's a cohesive team behind me and the cohesive team behind the bagger.
It's not something that I have to sit 3 or 4 hours waiting for an email to come back to me and say, hey, this might be your problem. It's something that I can get done 30 seconds and we're up and running again.
We have machines out there that I've seen still running from 40 years ago. We still make sure to keep that part inventory. Technicians that are trained on any given machine, when we sell it once, we're supporting it for the lifetime of that system.
Any brand that has stood the test of time, there's something behind it. That is the people that work there.
Our employees feel like family.
I love practicing on here.
And I believe that's probably something similar at BW.
We're trying to lay the groundwork for the next 2 or 3 generations that are coming.
Our first stop when it comes to looking for additional bagger and scale equipment is to go to BW.
We want to align ourselves with the best that's in the industry because that will do nothing but lift us up. There's a sense of pride that goes along with a machine that's built, a package that's packed, a pallet that's loaded, and when you have that type of care, only good things can happen.